Hello and welcome to my channel once again. A warm welcome from my side to everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss Bank Nifty and a couple of Bank Nifty stocks with you, namely HDFC Bank, the largest bank in India in terms of market cap, INDUSIND Bank, and State Bank of India, India's largest bank in terms of number of branches all over the country. And before I start off, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So we start off with the medium term outlook of the constituent, that is Bank Nifty. And we can see out here that how in the daily time frame, as per the study of Ichimoku, the index has made a bullish hammer on Friday, right at the Kijun Kumo support. Now, that's a very, very strong support in Ichimoku. We are looking at. We have a future Kumo, which is bullish, and it bounced off very sharply from this zone. Now, that's a good sign for it in the daily time frame. It's a good support we are looking at out here. Besides that, we also can see in the weekly that this flat Kijun will not be flat anymore from next week onwards. Same goes with the daily flatness of this Kijun, which has that magnetic impact to pull prices towards it. So that's a bullish sign in terms of the trend continuation, that this, and especially this hammer formation happening after a correction out here. So based on that, it looks much better off out here, and it has also made yesterday on Friday lows a bullish ABCD, which is in a harmonic pattern, which was in line with the Ichimoku support. So two different studies coming up with the similar support zone out here. We had a bounce back from there. So it has got solid support right now at 34,000, 33,800 odd. So in case there is a meltdown continuation tomorrow, it could it would ideally see a holding this zone and then resuming its uptrend all the way towards 37,000, which is the bullish seahorse pattern activated uh, trade target, which is still pending in the case of Bank Nifty. It has got a minor resistance around 35,500. So between 35,000 and 35,500, it has a minor resistance. Strong support base at 33,700, 800 like this. Once that small niggle is taken out at 35,000, going all the way towards 37,000 to complete its seahorse pattern target. So Bank Nifty, in my view, could uh, could uh, be a leader in this move or recovery in the market. It's had a very, very uncharacteristic move, while Nifty was continuously shooting towards 15,900, almost towards 16,000. It was Bank Nifty which was not participating, and Bank Nifty happens to be one of the strongest index movers in of Nifty collectively. So they should now resume it should now again become a performer in this move now in the month of June. The July series probably, or maybe from tomorrow onwards, we could see Bank Nifty revival out here. Now, sticking to Bank Nifty, uh, going to its uh, biggest contributor to the Bank Nifty index, HDFC Bank. It has the maximum weight in the Bank Nifty, and even in the initial recovery of Bank Nifty, which we saw in the month of June, from April and all, the HDFC Bank was not a great outperformer with the move. It was more shallow and subdued right throughout. In the first leg of the Bank Nifty move from 33,000 to 36,500 odd. This time around, HDFC Bank has made a good base around this level of 1450. It's got solid support now at 1450, 1475, as can be seen here in both the weekly and in the daily. Small niggle around 1500 levels, 1500. Once it moves above this zone, above the cloud out here, it has a future Kumo which is already bullish. Once it gets above the 1500 zone, it will be trading above the weekly Kijun also, which is trying to stop this move right now. And with a small niggle around 1550 initially, once taken out, this could be heading towards 1700 and 1800. So it could be the leader in the outperformance among banking stocks once Bank Nifty starts sustaining above 500. HDFC Bank could be back leading this entire move. The next one is INDUSIND Bank. Now, INDUSIND Bank, among all the large private banks that we have, is the only one which is nowhere close to its all-time highs. All other large private banks have made all-time highs or are near trading around that zone, etc. But except for IndusInd Bank, it had the sharpest fall in the from the March lows till March lows, and then it started a recovery. It's now set for a good move again after this kind of small pullback it has been doing since the month of March. It's now made a good base out here, got a dip down to 825 pullback. This is a strong daily formation pattern support level out here with a future Kumo which is still bullish. Good Kijun daily support out here as per Ichimoku above the cloud. Minor resistance coming up at 1025 odd levels, minor resistance. Once taken out, this is good for 1200, 1400. The reaction that IndusInd Bank gave in the daily time frame, the small time frame on 15th was on a bearish harmonic ABCD pattern, which is completed its minimum retracement out here. So going forward, this one is again, which one could be a major outperformer in the move. It is looking solid. It has got a good base between 950 to 975 odd levels that way. So these two among the large private banks. Now, third one is SBI. SBI is has been a super duper outperformer since the April lows. It is basically this. It was the bank which was leading among all the banking stocks from the recovery in Bank Nifty from 33,000 odd levels. It's continuously doing well. Just a minor pullback has happened out here again at a very strong uh, support of 400 out here. This is a good support zone, 380 to 390 odd level out here. It should resume its uptrend again and complete a journey of its uptrend which started in March lows all the way till 460 to 480. That would be the end of its entire first leg of its medium term. So still a lot of steam left in State Bank of India, can continue to move on the upside and complete this leg. So short term still looks decent enough. Medium term would be a level I would be looking at to book my profits, for medium term traders, and then get out of the market for some time. But otherwise, this could, from a long term investor's point of view, this is just the first big leg which it is doing. It not necessarily mean that it's going to come crashing down all the way. It just means that we could be seeing a medium term top after it makes another new high. So it's still not there. It still continues to be a strong move in Bank Nifty, and it could come out there. Standard disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. It's just an outlook from my side. Take it as an educational technical analysis one. Please do your research in detail before taking any investing trading decisions uh, in it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone, and have a great week ahead. Bye bye.